Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is OT and this is the warm up, a series on this channel where we come in, week out to plot how best we want to attack these markets. Without wasting much of our time, let's get right into the video.
Okay guys, welcome back into my screen. Welcome to my charts. This is the third episode of the warm up and I welcome you guys. If you're new here, if you're just joining us for the first time, what we like to do is I like to go through my watch list where I have different assets classes, including commodities, XAUSD, crypto, indices and futures, forex pairs as well, and then I put them all together in my hot list for the week. So I've done that already. Let's just dive right into it. Now today is Monday. The warm up usually comes up every weekend. Sorry about not dropping this earlier. I had shot a video and I don't know, the file just got corrupted and we couldn't post it on the weekend. So very painful, but yeah, let's just quickly run through the markets going on right now. Today is a crazy day. It's Monday morning. It's Monday and then this market has just spiraled crazy, right? Over the last episode, I'm gonna just do a brief assessment of like our previous second episode of the warm-up. So I think we're looking to go long on XAUSD when it breaks out of here. I think this was our entry criteria. I think the market, what I wanted was the market to break above here, retest and give us a continuation, but that didn't happen. What happened was the market gave us our A+ setup. Okay, the market gave us a Fibonacci move all the way from here. From here, shift of structure, and then we bought all the way. I executed a position somewhere around here. Yes, a solid 1 to 2 risk to reward is what I capitalized on, and now the market has just moved ballistic. Like this should have been a solid 1 to 6 risk to reward. Anyways, so that has happened. The market has already opened and the market is moving and moving with so much volume. This is so crazy. I mean, this is 339 or 350. Let's just say from 350 all the way to, that's like 500 pips one day. Gold has moved 500 pips in one day, which is absolutely nuts. So how I'm looking at trading gold right now is I still need a pullback. You guys know me, I love pullbacks, man. So if gold doesn't give us a pullback, we're not jumping, we're not rushing, we're not doing anything. But with the way the market is moving with this volume on a daily time frame, best believe that the market is for sure coming all the way into this region. Guaranteed. The market is, even from here, we're still coming all the way here. Gold is going to touch 3,400 and it's even going higher. But we need a pullback. Okay, we need a pullback so we can find where to put our stop losses. Okay, that's why we need pullback. So gold is definitely going to still be on our chart. Let's move to USD CHF. USD CHF is playing out exactly as we predicted it, boys. It's playing out exactly as we predicted it. I have one position opened already, and we're planning on holding all the way to this green line. You guys know what we were looking out for, what we were anticipating. The market actually pulled into this region and gave us a very nice opportunity. Okay, so the market pulled in, gave us a bearish engulfing, another bearish candle. It was a no-brainer at this point, so we executed trade, and right now we're just looking to hold this market all the way to this region. Right now I think the market is at a 1 to, so this is a solid 1 to 1. So I've moved stop losses to break even already. I already did that before the start of this week, so I caught this trade last week. Today is Monday and the market is just conforming very nice to our bias, and we like that. So we're going to be seeing how far this market goes and be managing it very closely. Euro USD. So I love this. Euro USD is playing eggs like to the T. Euro USD is playing out to the T. I mean, exactly how we predicted this market was going to play out is exactly how it's playing out, which is very nice. Okay, so we pulled into a Fibonacci. You guys go watch the previous video, you know how we analyze this market, and then it's just giving us bullish momentum out of that Fibonacci. So we're definitely coming to TP1. I had one position open, but I had closed one. So we still have one more position running on this market. Now, we will be looking to stack up positions on this market because it has broken this trend line, just like this arrow indicates right here. We're looking for a pullback. We need our pullbacks. You guys know we love our pullback. So we need a pullback and then a continuation, and we're going to stack in more positions on this trade. So watch out for those as well. Euro USD definitely coming to 1.18077. Next level, first level take profit. Okay, for Euro USD. GBP USD is a monster. I have GBP USD positions open as well. This was very nice. I love this. I love what's going on GBP USD because there's enough space to the upside. Okay, this point is a guaranteed point. Okay, this area where my take profit is a guaranteed. Right? We know the market is definitely for sure coming all the way to this point, but we have a lot of room, to 100% retracement is like 1 to 7 RR, okay? And then to the overall take profit, which is like the extension, is like 1 to 10 risk to reward. So this is a very beautiful trade. I'm so proud to have caught this market, and I want to display here right now how well this strategy works, and have it written, okay, have it documented. Let's just document this beautiful moment. We know where the market is going to. What we're going to be doing now is actually looking for extra positions to stack onto this particular trade. But from here all the way to here is a guaranteed 1 to 3, and you don't really need more than that. You need 1 to 3 and then you're solid. So right now I have positions on this market. At the 1 to 3 I'll be taking out because of how how confident I am with this trade. At the 1 to 3, I'm going to be taking out at least 50% of my positions. Usually at the 1 to 3, I'll take out like 80% of my positions, but this I'm going to be taking 50% out from here because I expect some sort of reaction from this area that could potentially give me another entry for more buys. So GBP USD still on our chart. USD CAD. Okay, we've been looking to go short on USD CAD. We've been looking to go short. I've been calling USD CAD shorts for a minute now. And there's something that I just need to point out to us right here. Okay, so we don't trade sentiments. Okay, we don't trade our feelings. We don't trade what we feel or what we think the market should do. What we trade is what the market shows us. Okay, so now let's just look clearly at what the market is showing us. What is the market telling us? If we go on a daily time frame, we would understand that USD CAD respects and it loves its double bottoms. Okay, you don't need a guru to tell you that. You can see it. It's very, very obvious. Okay, so here, this is what we call a double bottom, and every time we have a double bottom, what happens? We have a spike to the upside. Okay, when we have a double bottom, what happens? A run to the upside. All right, so what's happening here? We are seeing a double bottom forming. We cannot be ignorant to this. Okay, we cannot say we don't see it. Yes, we know that the overall trend is shifted and now we're selling. We know that, you can see that, but we are not supposed to neglect what is happening on these time frames as well. So bearing that in mind, I would be very skeptical about shorting this market, about shorting USD CAD. I would want to wait. I'm going to be waiting to see what happens. So I don't expect this market to keep selling, but the only way double bottom chart pattern or candlestick pattern is going to be perfect is if the market breaks above this region. Okay, so if the market breaks above this region and gives us a retest, very simple. The market breaks like this and retest here, shows a sign of continuation, then yes, we're looking to go long. We're shifting our bias like that really quick. We'll be looking for long positions, but right now that's not the case. So we're still bearish on USD CAD. We're still very much bearish on USD CAD. Are we going to be placing any trades from here? Nope, I am not interested. Euro USD and GBP USD are giving me exactly what I need. These three markets are looking very good, so I'm not looking to actually place more sells on USD CAD. The only reason why I'll be selling USD CAD is if the market breaks below this region. Okay, market breaks below here, retest, continuation, yes, then we are solid to actually start going short on USD. AUDJPY, okay, I think previous videos as well, we're looking to go long on AUDJPY, but we need the pullback. Okay, the pullback is happening now, and that's nice. I like what's going on. Market is pulling back really nice. If you go on lower time frames, I think I've shown this already many times. We need the market to just pull back into this region. Fibonacci, you all see it, very simple, very simple. The market pulls into these regions, gives us a double bottom, then we're looking to go long. Very simple, the same analysis as before. That's the same thing we're looking out for CAD-JPY as well. It's pulling back nicely. It's pulling back nicely, okay? Pulling back nicely. At this point, I just need to see CAD-JPY give us a double bottom or a, triple bottom, okay? Somewhere around here is going to be perfect. So I'm gonna pick this all the way here. It's an area. This is a strong area of value as well. So if the market pulls back into this point, into this region, and gives us that we need, then we can go long from somewhere here. Okay, the market can as well still decide to keep selling all the way to this point too. But basically, let's just see what happens. USD NOK. I wanted to use this chart to explain something. The market has opened already. See, I had already done a full video, guys, like a full video, and yeah, let's just skip that and keep talking. Okay, so USD NOK. I don't trade this market, but I want to use this market to explain something to us. Okay, so you guys know the market moves from zone to zone. Yeah, the market moved from here all the way here, came back here all the way up here, pull back. You can see the pattern. Okay, now we have come into this region. A double bottom, a head and shoulder, or an inverse head and shoulder, is a candlestick formation that indicates a shift in trend. Let me take that again. A head and shoulder, a head and shoulder, an inverse head and shoulder, a double bottom, a double top. All these candlestick patterns are indications of a shift in trend. What do I mean by that? The market has been moving from here all the way down to this point. That's a downtrend. The market has been trending to the downside. Now, the moment we see a head and shoulder, what's this? This is what? Left shoulder. This is a head, and this is the right shoulder. The market has formed this already. This is clearly telling us as traders that this downtrend is over. Okay, this downtrend is about to be over. Now, what confirms this candlestick pattern? I want to confirm that this downtrend is over is what happens at this point. Okay, this is the neckline of the head and shoulder. So the market is testing this neckline right now. This bearish candle is a test of this line. So if the market can buy above this region, just move this to the side. So if today's candle closes very bullish, and today's candle closes bullish, and we see a bullish engulfing candle come out of here, then we're solid. Okay, this is a strategy, like a lot of traders use this strategy. I'm just putting it out here to make it known to everyone. Okay, so the market buys if we see a bullish candle come out of here, let's say like so. Okay, let me see this. Our criteria for entering long, going long on USD NOK is a bullish candle break above this point. So if we see that, then this would be our ideal trade. We're going to take trade from here. Stop losses are going to be somewhere here, and that's a solid 1 to 2 risk to reward. Okay, solid 1 to 2 risk to reward here to all the way to this point. So that's it. So if we don't see that, then the head and shoulder pattern has been invalidated. So if the market breaks above here, then yes, the head and shoulder pattern is confirmed. Let's move down to NZD USD. Let's go to the weekly time frame like we like to do. Now this market has been in a range. Okay, from here the market purchased 2022, came here, pulled back. This region, this yellow bar, is a very strong area of interest. It's a very strong area of value. Why? Because the market has tested it multiple times on weekly time frames. Okay, it didn't take a couple hours for these areas to form. It took weeks. Okay, weeks for them to form. So We know that this place is a very strong area and the market has broken above it and is trading above it. So for the fact the market is still trading above this area, we are going to consistently be looking for long opportunities or opportunities to go long on the NZD-USD. Simple, straightforward. If the market was trending below this yellow bar, we'll be looking for opportunities to go short. But the fact that the market is trading above it, we're looking for opportunities to go long. Now, I have seen a very beautiful entry, a very beautiful opportunity. But like I said, the market opened already and it's Monday. The market has moved already. But we're still going to be patient. Okay, at this point, we are going to be patient. Only patience can pay us. This was it. Simple Fibonacci. This was where we were looking to go long on this trade over the weekend. But now you see the market has already moved. So our new criteria is a break outside, a very big break outside of this trend line. Okay, so I need a bullish candle, full candle, and then a pullback. When we see this, or if we see this, then we'll come back and trade this market. You can come back and find our entry somewhere here, and then reduce our stop losses to a little bit tighter. And 100% retracement would be our take profits. That's going to be a solid 3 or a solid 2 risk to reward, depending on how wide we put our stop losses. So that's that. BTC as well. BTC has given us the pullback. Okay, now let's look at something. I think the last episode of the warm-up, I was talking about pullbacks and why we need pullbacks. So if a pullback gives us, if there's a proper pullback, it gives us where to put our stop losses. Okay, it gives us an area where we like to put our stop losses. So BTC right now has given us an area where we can put our stop losses. All right, somewhere around here. These are areas where we can put our stop losses on BTC, but I am still not looking for entries on BTC because I already have proper trades that fits my 90% A plus setup. So I'm just going to be looking at BTC. If you want to keep buying, keep buying. If you want to keep going long, keep going long. Overall, the market is a bullish market. But for me this week, I'm not seeing any opportunities. I'm not seeing opportunities I would like to take. Okay, there are so many opportunities, but I'm not seeing the ones I like to take. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys on the next one.